here is a manual transmission with an airshift PTO to engage PTO and pump. The truck is running. Go ahead and push in the clutch. Just give it a few seconds for the transmission to slow down. Engage PTO. Go ahead and open up any of the switches. We're just gonna open up the front sprayer. Let go of the clutch slowly. PTO disengage along with the pump. At this point, you want to just spray here while the truck is in idle, and you're just gonna have to now give it throttle. And that's how you'll work your system. Now to go mobile, we're gonna go in first gear. This is being a manual transmission. We're gonna start first gear in action on the manual transmission. You can even shift up to second, maybe even third gear, just because being a manual 10-speed, you should be able to spray water between the first to the third gear without the truck going so fast. It just depends on how slow you want to move. So I am gonna do the video in second gear to demonstrate the system, and then I will show all the outside as far as, you know, the belts, the front, the middle, the rear. Is a canyon, which is going to be on your driver's side, and also we have your other side for your side belt, and we also have a camera system here. Just throw it in reverse, it will activate automatically. It's adjustable. And then we have your work light switches for the outside, with they're mounted in the tank itself. And then you also have some utility lamp switch, which is basically on the truck cab itself. This will be the switch to turn it on. So we'll demonstrate on the next video everything, all the functions. The return valve is closed whenever you're spraying. If it's open, you're gonna lose a lot of the pressure. They gotta be closed, and the main one is open. drafting. Once you connect the green hose, turn it on, turn on the truck, turn on PTO, open both valves at the same time, and start letting the system being purged, and then slowly you're gonna close only the pouring. This one is gonna remain open. That way the drafting is just coming through the green hose itself. So right now we're gonna go ahead and demonstrate the hose reel. That one's closed, it's open. I'm just gonna give it a little bit of throttle so we can have power push